Sure how well you can see it. It looks like I got a barn owl here in my shop. Up there in the corner there. Came back from mowing. There's a couple blue jays in the rafters jumping around squawking at this thing over here. I think it's a fucking owl. I think it's a fucking owl just chilling out right there in the corner. I don't know how well you can see it because of the glare and everything. Blue jays went out, but looks like the owl's still there staring at me. Damn it, focus camera. Here we go. Yeah. Looks like I got an owl chilling out right there. Woohoo, woohoo. Blue jays left you alone, huh? Yeah, the blue jays left you alone once I came back. Huh, buddy? You can just chill out there. I ain't gonna hurt you. I ain't gonna be an asshole and hurt you like the blue jays. You can just chill out there and nap. Got an owl chilling out right there in the corner. A little owl. And the blue jays came in here and were harassing you, huh? They had no business harassing you.